Hello, 안녕하세요. It's Hello, parents. I will be showing you how to log on to our district website if you would like to access some of the Hmong materials that Fresno Unified has put out. So, in order for you to get these resources, you would have to be connected to the internet. Onde có yumu chen tia tao cho down the mong ya tao Fresno Unified website nake gan jong hai tian ne shara YouTube tao mo internet onde na. And once you are connected, please find exercise your brain and you will find this icon and go ahead and click on the icon. And once you click on the icon, it will direct you to a new website. Nhớ trong the khả kể nữ cú mua cái information nhớ trong the mấy là xin the mong ổn hay cái nhiệt gì cú mua chân thiệt tàu thiệt. And we just have a lot of information in both Spanish and Hmong and English for parents who would like to get more information about how our distance learning will be taking place until the end of the school year. Now, in order to access the Hmong materials that the district has put out, you would scroll down the page. And as you are also scrolling down the page, I just want to let you all know that these are also the apps that we use for Fresno Unified. And for kindergarten, we have started teaching them how to log on to iReady. So iReady will be this white cube, and you can just go ahead and click on the icon, and your students should be able to type in their username and their password. If you do not know your child's username or password, you can reach out to Mrs. Yang, which is their classroom teacher, or you can also reach out to me as well, and I can look for it and I can send it over. Yeah, nay tụi mình nhỏ từ tàu mù ngay lúc tablet là she ni mo computer she ta che. Yeah, nay cứ sa có là only theo là she có luôn kỹ này cái nay cứ mua tàu cho có iReady na. Ni như chỉ tàu nia lúc icon đó nó. Yeah, ni muốn nia này cái ni mà lý cho mu ni mà lý cho ni mu tàu có page chia or ni ở tàu lì ya ni tụi mình nhỏ cô cái tàu luôn kỹ. This year, Hananike Kuyakene Hatia Bayumu access bacon the Monica. So after all of these apps, once you see these apps, you can go ahead and scroll down. And with these are just more information and more classroom schedule. So for right here, this icon right here for kindergarten, this will be the schedule or a recommended schedule for their English portion. Nhớ là họ kindergarten là nó cái giờ tên muốn nè nè cái này giờ cho nên mua trâu họ cho in kindergarten or mua cho tao tới trâu lỡ cờ luôn anh kỹ, okay. Giờ tiền này xả cờ lỡ cu cần tao anh kỹ thế giờ tiền này xả bao tao cho nó cái này cu một chân thiệt trâu cho lý tiệt or lỡ tu mua upload ta lỡ. And with these, they post them every week. So you can go ahead and look at the updated version. So once we pass all of the apps and once we pass all of the suggested schedules, if we look further down into these green icons, you will see dual language immersion. You have to một cái apps thì you have to một cái recommended schedule cho cho lỡ cờ luôn ký ta này kì you have to một chân thia cho họ cá này kì bây giờ bỏ alu box là gì alu thấy xin cho nó nè này kì nếu cũng mua khó dual language immersion cho lưu mong khả năng này kì bây giờ muốn nia and then let's go ahead and let's click on the dual language immersion Hmong. And then it will take you to all of the resources that has been posted up. So for instance, if we were to look at grades K through 2 for March 25th through the 31st, it just means that the materials that was posted are for grades kindergarten through second grade. But if we want to be grade level specific, we can also look down. We can also look down where they have grade 1, grade 2, grade K. Unfortunately, we do not have anything for preschool or TK as of right now, but you are more than welcome to use the kindergarten materials to expose them. I do know that that maybe following the Hmong recommended schedule will be a little bit difficult for parents because some of you do not know the Hmong language or how to read and write, and I understand that. So I will also be posting video lessons of myself teaching or songs or some of the stuff that I know that the students can do independently, and I will have those on Class Dojo. Nike kusa hai chatai ilo cho kene si hai tia ya tia ne po te ya district ya taung ta na ni inyo nyo sho do ne ne ku mu chen tia tao do ku ha class dojo le shi show online e ku yo mo ya duo o ku o ku tao chỉ lo le shi ya hai tia ku ma ling mu chen tia li ya bu do ne tao shi ya te ne ku sa shi district ho na lo ne ku shi tao tia ya te ne ku sa ita oh kia ku shi su fu ya ke materials na lo ku tao tia vì hai tia ku shi district ya materials tia tia ku shi ya dong da o ku tao chỉ lo donate something to tu mi yo tao shi and with this with the district materials I have supplemented them so I will both I will also be posting district materials and also some of the videos or songs that I have created that I use throughout the classroom for your child. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me and I will be more than happy to answer any of the questions that you may have. 我知道。